Hello, it's Lawrence Romanowski from Calgary, Canada, and I thought I'd do a short follow-up video where we take all the Land Rover pieces and put them in a trailer, and then some parts go for painting, some go for galvanizing, some go for powder coating, some electroplating, etc. So I thought I'd just show you what's here and what's going where. Okay, two NOS fenders in their original crates with their original tags. One's bronze green and one's a slight tan. Bought at great expense from Rover's North. We see the chassis and some of the metal work that we've done, which I showed previously. I've got floor plans there. I've got the floor pans there. I've got the aluminum box. The new part there is the steel though. That's and I'll take that box out and get it galvanized. This bit here, this little frame, that is for the truck cab. That is what holds the headliner on. And then we see, well, I've shown you the chassis before, so I'm not going to go through that again. But you can see it's all been restored. Okay. The cover there, you can see, you didn't see that before. And then I've got this thing just ready for transport here. The grill panel's all set up and the battery box is all set up. Now here I've got pieces that are now going for various things. The grill to be galvanized, those are splash guards which were remade. They have a tough life and are almost always rusted out. So those were remade. They're getting galvanized. These are the seat boxes, which have all been sandblasted. There is a heat shield in there. Let me climb over this here. All right. Then we have some of those pieces for underneath the doors, the structural pieces which hold the tub to the bulkhead. Door tops, engine mounts, etc. That's all getting re-galvanized. And then, if I don't, all right, if I don't hurt myself here, here are all the body panels. Okay, so we showed you the doors, which we're doing, and in there as well. I'm going to take this out, but there's NOS front fenders. There are pieces NOS. Pieces for the rear box, door tops, a new tailgate and the hood, and then we've got the hood support piece and so on. Okay. In this box here, we have a capstan winch, which will then get cleaned up and repainted, and you can see the windshield frame also for galvanizing. Okay, so this trailer is going to make a stop at the galvanizing place. It's going to make a stop at the paint place. It's going to make I still have a little bit of sandblasting to do, so all this stuff will get dropped off, and then various basically coatings put on it. In addition to that, let's just these are some surplus Rovers which are now gone. It helps to start with a lot of them, and then when you figure out what you don't need anymore, then let them go. Of course, there'll still probably be pieces there that I'm missing, but anyway, I've got enough here for somebody to do their own project. Of course, I'm just not going to get to everything. Okay, so in the back of this, I've got more work, more sandblasting of aluminum and steel pieces, and I've separated another bucket here for sandblasting that was rough, but these two buckets I'm going to get a vapor honed, which is like a high pressure water blast, and the water has a media in it. And I'm doing that with a lot of this stuff where, you know, it's on tracks or something like that, and I don't want to fill it up with sand, or it's got a hinge in it, or it's got some other kind of moving part, or it just doesn't look too bad. I mean, if it's really pitted, you know, you need a more aggressive media, but if it's not too bad, then you can just use water. So, and the water is a bit less invasive. This bucket down there, all that lovely stuff, that is all going for plating. for CAD plating. So that's all the hardware for just about everything. So that'll all get, I'll probably sort it out first and then get all of that plated. So when I'm done, I should have everything ready. I'll have all the big parts done, all the metal repair done, all the aluminum parts done. I've bought a bunch of Rovers to make sure that I get, you know, that I get good panels to start with, and then I'll go through, you know, all of the different smaller parts and give them the appropriate coating, and then after that is the fun part where you have all these nice clean parts and you can just bolt it all together. Okay, so that's the fun part. This is the dirty work, but it's the hard work and it's done. Okay, I hope that's interesting to somebody. Thank you very much. Lawrence Romanowski from Calgary, Canada.